Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an Indian classic Palak Paneer. It is a spinach-based curry with fried Indian paneer cheese. It is so delicious. Let's get cooking. All right, to get started over here in my pot, I have 2 cups of water that is getting nice and boiling. And to that, we are going to slowly add in our spinach. Now, one thing that you know about spinach, if you've ever cooked with it, spinach wilts a lot. So this looks like a lot more spinach than will fit into the pot, but we are going to wilt it down, and you see that it is going to wilt down like crazy. We're also going to add in our onion, and I promise you this will get smaller, and we're also going to add in some green chilies into there. And now all you're going to want to do is just keep on stirring this to wilt that spinach, and we are going to cook this down for about 5 to 10 minutes until fully wilted. Alrighty, as I promised, the spinach has cooked down, and now it is time to add it into our blender because we are going to blend it up. There are different variations of Palak Paneer. Some people like them chunkier. I like mine nice and smooth, so just get it all in there. And blend it up. All right, looks good to me. You just kind of want to blend until it's combined. You don't want to blend it too much. Now, let's go over to our pan, heat that back up, and it's time to add some spices. Got some butter into there. You could also use ghee, which is better. I just don't have any ghee in the house, so butter will do. And to that, I'm gonna add in some bay leaves into here and some whole cumin, and we are going to toast them up to get them nice and aromatic. It's getting nice and aromatic, so I'm also gonna add in some ginger paste and some garlic paste and cook that around for another minute. Oh my God, it smells incredible. Now I got 4 tomatoes that I blended up. We're gonna add those in. Now bring it to a boil, and you're going to let this simmer down for about 10 to 12 minutes until it cooks down nicely, and then we're gonna add in the rest. All right, our tomatoes have cooked down, and now it is time to add in our spices. We're adding layers and layers of flavor. We're gonna add in some garam masala, which is a beautiful spice mix. We're also gonna add in some coriander seed, well, coriander powder, salt, and we're also gonna add in some turmeric and chili powder for some color, flavor, and heat, and stir that up for about another minute. All right, now we are going to get our greens from the blender and add those in as well. Look at that intense color from there. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, we are now gonna bring this to a simmer, and I'm actually going to cover it because it splatters a lot and it's already made a mess. We're gonna cook this for about 5, 6, 7 minutes until it gets nice and cooked, and then we're almost done. All right, now I'm going to fry up my paneer in my pan over here. I'm just gonna add in some vegetable oil. Over here I have some paneer cheese. This is homemade. I have a video on my YouTube channel and a recipe on my blog of how to make it. Super easy, literally just takes 2 ingredients, milk and an acid like vinegar or lemon juice. I have some here that's nice and cubed, and we are going to add it into here. It's actually gonna have to fry it in 2 parts just because we have quite a lot. And we are now going to fry it to get some nice crispy bits on the edges and then add it straight into our curry. All right, they are starting to brown, so let's give them a flip. Oh my God, look at that. That looks incredible. All right, our paneer is nice and fried up. Let's now pour this all into here, and we're going to fry up the rest, and then it's eating time. All right, just added in the rest of our paneer. Let's stir that together. Oh my God, this looks absolutely incredible. Next up, we're gonna make a tadka. What that is you're just going to fry up some spices to top off your dish with. It is super delicious and gives it a little bit last hit of flavor. So I'm gonna add in some red chilies. I'm gonna add in some whole coriander, some whole cumin, and let's just now toast these away for about 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Meanwhile, let's start spooning our Palak Paneer into our bowl. Now, traditionally, you'll just put the tadka on top of your pot, but I like for serving purposes to do it straight onto my serving dish. All right, the spices are done. I'm now going to take them and just spoon them all over the top. Spoon your chilies on there as well for a beautiful contrast color. All right, it is near complete. I'm just going to pour on a little bit of some heavy cream just for some more color and creaminess on top, and bam! That is how you make beautiful and delicious Palak Paneer. Now, I don't want to ruin this beautiful thing because we still have to get the close-up shots, so I'm actually going to go over here and give one of those a try. Now, I know you're supposed to eat this with some naan or some rice or some chapati or roti. I don't have any of that right now, so we're just going to try it plain. Oh my God, I'm hungry. Look, let's just eat. Wow, that is packed with flavor. You guys have got to try this. It is super savory, super delicious. The cheese is nice and fatty. It all comes together to this incredible dish that looks just as beautiful as it tastes delicious. You guys have got to try this. If you want the recipe, it is on eitanbernath.com, linked down below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below what is your favorite curry of all time. I'd love to know, and hit that big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free to click, so you're the first to know when I post new videos, and join the YouTube fam. And if you haven't already, be sure to text me 201-822-9203 to join the text gang. All right, if you need me, I'm gonna devour the rest of this. Maybe I'll just even eat this whole thing too. Bye.